Alright guys, what we have here is a 2019 Lincoln Navigator, and I had to do rear brakes on it. A lot of people I've seen online were doing some stuff where they were showing you some real long answer on how to do all this stuff. It's fairly simple. I'm going to put this vehicle in brake mode, or parking brake mode. I'll show you how to do it right now. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to push the pedal all the way to the floor, and then you're going to take your button right here and you're going to hold it down for 5 seconds, and then you're going to hit the start button. Hit the start button for me. You're going to let it go 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. Remember, I'm still pushing, holding it down. Turn it back off, turn it back on, and now you're going to see the brake light start flashing down there. See, it's flashing. Parking brake maintenance mode. Now, at this point, we're in brake mode. We can go ahead and shut the vehicle off. It'll stay in brake mode. You can go back, pull your tires and stuff off, push your piston and stuff in just like you normally would. And then to take it back out, basically the reverse. Pedal down, parking brake up, key on. It's going to stay maintenance mode still. About 5 seconds, hold it. Shut the key back off. Turn the key back on. And we're still in the up position. And parking brake mode is gone. So now parking brake is off. I can go ahead and apply it now. Parking brake on. Parking brake off. That's how you do it.